Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippet. In the international market, in US or rather across the globe, yields in the past have risen when QE was announced on expectations for higher inflation. Inflation expectations have jumped to the highest since 2014, with investors pricing in average annual inflation of 2.21 percentage points for the next 10 years, which is nothing but US 10-year tips, which reflects the real rates. But that expectation hasn't yet been priced into the nominal treasury yields. US 10-year closed at 118 and 30-year closed at 195 on Tuesday. For a brief moment, US 30-year did trade above 2%, but the buying came in, which brought the yields back below 2% on a closing basis. So as we said, it will take some time before 125 for US 10-year and 2% for US 30-year is breached, but the yields will go up, and that is certain. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $61.20 per barrel. Short-term range seems to be $59 to $62 per barrel. Again, as you know, we have sold crude at $60 per barrel and booked huge profits and waiting for the opportunity to re-enter for $70 target. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 90.52. DXY's today's range seems to be 90.04 to 91.11. US CPI numbers would be out today, and that can move the DXY below 90 if the CPI numbers are too strong. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 654. Please note that Chinese New Year holiday season will start from 11th Feb, which is tomorrow, till 17th Feb, and markets will be closed in China. USD INR with a low of 72.85 closed at 72.87 on Tuesday. The USD INR pair traded in 7 paisa narrow range. USD INR's range for today seems to be 72.75 to 73.05. In the domestic market, government bond prices ended sharply down yesterday as market participants were left disappointed after the center announced post-market hours Monday that it would conduct a special auction on Thursday to raise rupees 22,000 crore over and above the rupees 26,000 crore weekly debt sale scheduled on Friday. So, we have OMO on Wednesday, special rupees 22,000 crore GSEC auction on Thursday, and regular rupees 26,000 crore auction on Friday. Hence, the impact of Wednesday's OMO has been nullified with Thursday's auctions, which is reflected in the bond yields as well. 515 GS 2025 closed at 562 versus 557 the previous trading day. 577 GS 2030 closed at 611 versus 609 the previous trading day. Now let's look at the 9th February 2021's SDL auction analysis. There was a weak appetite for SDLs in the auctions. In the 5-year maturity, Punjab was seen at 605 and Assam at 619. In the 10-year maturity categories, Tamil Nadu UP at 694, Rajasthan at 695, Assam at 698 and Punjab at 705. 15-year West Bengal was seen at 697. Hence, SDA yields are now at 695 levels, and it has a spread of approx 84 basis points over GSEC counterparts. Given the states need to borrow before year end, the yields and the spreads will stay elevated and can still further go up. Night Fintech's recommendation 515 GS 2025 at 562 looks attractive, and we recommend a buy at 562 levels and average it out at 575 if it comes with a 550 target. One can look at 5-year SDLs as well, as the yields have crossed 6% mark for HTM category. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Night Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.